Ayondo offers some unique benefits to clients: 100% payment of dividends, the ability to control leverage with competitive financing, fees only charged on the borrowed amount. Just expand on some of the benefits.
Well, Ayondo offers various benefits to clients. We want clients to be successful. That's our aim, because only successful clients are happy clients and they stay with you. And therefore, what we do is we offer variable margin, so people can trade from leverage 1 up to leverage 100, and then just pay their financing cost on what they use, the leverage they use. And we always wanted to be very fair and transparent to the client, and aiming for the level playing field. And therefore, things like dividends, which we fully pass through, that's just part of it. That's just a piece of the puzzle. And and of course it comes to client service, for example. We've been awarded for our client service, which is great. It's great because there's something where you can differentiate between all the various trading platforms that are out there in the market. So it's about the people in the background, I think.
Why should traders consider using Ayondo for their trading then? Why should we use Ayondo as a private investor?
Because you should use Ayondo as a private investor because it offers you both ways of trading. And you don't have to decide whether it's your own strategy that works or whether you want to follow another top trader. You can do both and have access through our website. And because we try to, we put everything on the plate to be fair, transparent, and helpful whenever there's need. And we do education and webinars, and we guide you personally through the platform and help you. So I mean, we are there, and if the client can take on help and get explained everything. So. Yeah, I think there are a lot of reasons.
Is there a minimum amount you've got to put in?
For social trading, it's 100 pounds and 100 euros, and for self-directed, there's no minimum.
Okay. We know that the Ayondo has this great policy where interest is only charged on the margin portion of the position. Why do providers pretend that traders have to pay financing for long position if no money is actually being lent?
That's what I just said. It's our variable margin functionality and our policy to say that we charge you on financing on the portion that you really used for your leverage trading. There's no point for us in charging on the full position, definitely.
And why do some providers pay out 80% of dividends whilst others pay 90%, and yet you pay 100%? Does a spread betting provider take the 10% or 20% for itself, or is it handling for HMRC?
Okay, so Ayondo wanted to be as fair as it could to the customer. That's why we pass on 100% of the dividends, depending on your current tax liabilities. Other spread betting providers, charge what they deem is necessary to their client base, and is purely like a revenue generating exercise. I can't speak definitively for other spread betting firms, but I would suspect that the 10 or 20% that they don't give goes into their revenues.
What education and technical support services do you offer to help traders leverage the full functionality available with Ayondo?
Ayondo offers education services on the platform which shows you what is spread betting, basic technical analysis. We also do seminars that take you through the various concepts of what spreading, CFD trading is, the basics of technical analysis, support, resistance, moving averages, Bollinger Bands, and then like a basic money management risk system, with also up-to-date news from Reuters.